If you smell what the rock is cooking.
Here we go. So we are solving quadratic equation using formula method. First of all, we will compare this given equation with the standard equation. So on comparing with standard equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. जैसे ही कंपेयर किया तो पोजीशन के हिसाब से करस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यूज जो मिली, ए का वैल्यू हमको मिला 1, बी का वैल्यू मिला -3, c is equals to -10. Here you can check x square is x square. So the coefficient of x square is a, and here the coefficient of x square nothing. That means 1 would be there. Okay. Similarly, here x is equals to x, the corresponding value of x, the coefficient of x is b over here, and here the value of b becomes -3. And the next thing, the value of c is -10. After this, we will use quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is x equals to -b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the quadratic formula. Now we will substitute the value in this quadratic formula. Okay, like x will be x, minus sign of the formula as it is. Now b. So the value of b we have -3. Substituting the value of b -3 over here. Plus minus both sign. Then b square, that is -3 square, -4 into a. So the value of a is 1 and the value of c is -10. Then upon 2 into a. So the value of a we have 1. After this it will become minus into minus plus. So it will give +3. Then plus minus root over the square of any negative value is positive. So -3 square becomes +9. Now minus into minus becomes plus. 10 4s are 40. Whole upon 2 1s are 2. After this, x will be equals to 3 plus minus under root 49 upon of 2, which implies that x equals to 3 plus minus. Now the square root of 49 would be 7 only. So here we will write 7 upon 2. Now you can check here that there is plus sign as well as minus sign together. So one by one we will use the sign. How one by one we will use the sign? We will write over here when using positive sign. So the value of x comes out, x equals to 3 plus 7 upon 2. That is 10 upon 2. 2 1s are, 2 5s are. So the value of x comes out to be 5. Secondly, when using negative sign, so the value of x is 3 minus 7 upon 2. So here minus sign, -7 plus 3 will be -4 upon 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So finally second value is x is minus 2. So the roots of the quadratic equation is 5 and minus 2. I hope it